Are we live? Can you guys hear me? What's up? How's it going, everyone? We got 17 people in here already. It's nice. How you guys doing? What's up, T13, Slava, that dude, XRP, Ricky Ripple, Flip Coins in the house. How you doing, my man? Yeah, your Billy coin is just, man, I think it's dead. But yeah, I mean, some things are starting to bounce. But did Bitcoin actually make a new high? Bitcoin hit 109K for just a moment. I mean, overall, macro wise, we're not bearish. Just look at Bitcoin here. This thing's just curled up to the moon. Next stop is 127K. He said VBA, XRP Ricky is new here. I appreciate you coming in here, my man. You're also a member. What's up, Dave? What's up, Kathy? How you doing? Uh, Hopefully T13's still here, so he doesn't ask a million times. VBA, what is VBA doing? Dasha recovering. Yeah, this is what we went over last night. It has to be the bottom. Time to go back up to the top of the channel. Going up almost 300% from where it was yesterday. But yeah, VBA is recovering to the top of the channel, and then it'll go back down until it's time to go up. You said it's -10 there. Yeah, it's brutal weather. Thoughts on API 3? MAGA show was interesting. A bunch of farts promising something they wouldn't be able to accomplish. I didn't even watch it. XCN holding up. API 3. Let's see if we have a chart for that one. Pretty sure we do. Let's see if we can find it. Let's see here. Looks like she's breaking down below the 236. It looks like it's breaking the trend right now, depending on where you want to draw this at. It could be holding. Let's see if we're holding some support down here. There's a good chance you're hitting right on the 786 here on the smaller fib. Yeah, you're right on the support level. So this needs to be the bottom for API 3, 123 here. If not, it'll break down and go back to the low. There's nothing going to stop it. But it's holding the trend. It's holding the support level here. If not, it's going to drop 35%. But it looks good sitting on support and sitting on the trend. Once you get back above the macro 236 at 153, the bottom is back in here. It's probably a double bottom back in. Yeah, double 236 here. 150 to 160, and then the bottom is in. Short term and long term. Bullish over 220. And no bull market on AP3 until you're established over the 618 here, probably with a monthly candle. Yeah, these monthly candles got stuck on the bodies here perfectly. So $3.97, $4. Once you get a monthly candle to close over that, then you'll know you're bullish to move up. But until then, it's going down and sideways. And then this one from $1.30 up to the 1272 possible new high retracement of 15x, 2 billion market cap. That's not bad. If you think it goes higher, 28 would be a 3.4 billion market cap for a 21x. But overall, not a bad looking chart. I mean, if this is something and someone's going to buy it, it hasn't done anything yet. So this is my plan. When I make money on something, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5x, whatever it's going to be, I'm going to go hunting for charts like this that haven't moved yet, and then just buy what I can. What's up, Atilk? Monkey's back in the house. Yeah, I saw XCN was moving back up. That's good. XCN. XCN to the moon. What is she doing? Yeah, she's up nice today. That's good. Little short-term flag we were watching held up and she broke out. So it needs some follow-through here. Now that you're above, you're simply just going to back test and hold the macro 0.5 here. So that's good. As long as you're above this, you're in good shape. Just go ahead and get that out of the way. But yeah, if this thing can manage to push through, I've been going over this a lot. If XCN can get up here to 2 cents, break through this little volume area here, there's nothing stopping it from coming up here, in my opinion. At least hitting the 786. At least. Probably with a wick above. And then it's done. Yeah, this thing may be gunning for 10 cents. 8x from today. If it can stay over 11 and get over 2, then she's going to fly. Some crypto Bill. Caspa, please. Lynn says, any thoughts on DIA? Yeah, what is Caspa doing? We haven't looked at Caspa in a little bit. Caspa's still not doing anything. She's been going sideways in this little channel forever. Back down below the 3-2. What is that? High to the low. So as long as you can stay over 11.9 here, 12, then the bottom is confirmed in. You are, as we pointed out last time, it's time to go up because you bottomed again, higher low. So time for Caspa to move up already. But right now, short term, you're not bullish anymore below 13. And you can clearly see the wick here at the 618. So once you get over 15.7 again, then you can move up. And at some point, it'll break out of this channel, hopefully. Caspa. I would imagine it's because people can't buy this thing. There's very few places to buy it. If it was on Coinbase or something, then it'd probably be going up. But whatever camp you're in, if you think Caspa's going to hit $5 this cycle, that's a 39x to 126 billion market cap. That probably changed by now. But I think Caspa, $1 or 2 is good this cycle. 10x to $1.37 there, and then the top of this smaller fib here would be a 16x to 2. I think those are fair prices. I think $2 is fair. If it goes to 5, so be it. Congratulations. Stater and DIA. Can you imagine if Dennis wasn't able to pull my tooth? He literally torched me for hours. That's not good. Why couldn't you get your tooth out? Well, when I had a tooth pulled, it would just give you the shots and then pull it out. DIA. Let's see what DIA is doing. Yeah, DIA looks like it's coming back down to the trend line here. I don't know why it's so far out, but depending, if we draw it to the wicks, wherever. Yeah, it looks like she's coming back down, but we'll draw another one, a couple. Yeah, down below the double 382, so no longer short-term or macro bullish here. 618 is all the way down here. Now that you're below the 382, that puts in place 618, so 43. So there's a good chance this thing's coming back down. And you can see also the 786 low to the high here. And you're sitting around on the 0.5, so any lower than 59 on this one, which the momentum is clearly down. RSI is about below 50. And that's pretty good drop, a 40% drop potentially in play right now on DIA. But we've seen this a lot. It did what it needed to do. It came up and made the higher high. The overall chart's curling up here. Time to put in the higher low. As long as we're not in alt season, that's probably what's going to happen. Just chop. Stater, what is Stater doing? Stater's trying to hold up in our pattern here still. Strong move up, consolidation in the pattern. Probably holding on to the 382. Yeah. Stater doesn't look bad here as long as this holds up. As long as it stays over 89, you're getting to the end of this pattern here, potentially. To where it's going to break to the upside, hopefully. So 115 is your price to beat. 89 is your price to hold. 148 is your big price to get over to be bullish here. So if it holds up here, I guess the only other thing we could do is go, yeah, if we go high to the low on the smaller time frames here, sticking with the 3-day, over 137 over the high low 618 is confirming your breakout. But it looks good as long as it tries to hold here. Let's see how the poll is going. 31 votes. Are we back? Yes. Let's see. What's up, Eldor? What's up, Sunrun? Is PNG dead? What did I miss? Carlos for 5. I appreciate that. First super chat. I appreciate that, my man. Thoughts on Spell? When do you think it's going to be going up, and how far? Spell to the moon. I like Spell. We got metal detecting for 6 months. Member for 6 months. I appreciate that, my man. You must be making a killing on XCN right now, huh? She's going back up. Spell. Where the hell did our spell chart go? Yeah, what happened to our spell chart? What's going on here? What is this? Yeah, high to the low here. It looks messy, but high to the low. Hit the 786. You're sitting right on the 382 here. You're sitting on support at 007, 307 that is. And you just made a higher high. So you're starting to crawl back out of the first trend we had. We've had this on the chart forever. The trend here, you broke, pretty much back tested it. Getting stuck. So let's just clean this up a little. So you're sitting on 307 support here. Let's pull this over. I don't even know if this is the right spell chart. It doesn't look right. But ultimately, spell has the chart. It came down. It's been going sideways for years. Still hasn't done anything. You're still below the 236 at 309. So there's nothing bullish right now. Making higher or lower highs. You're starting to curl up here at the end, which is good to see. Just like it did back here. But the closer we get to alt season, you know, it just needs to stay curling up. But as of right now, it does appear that spell is coming back down. But yeah, one of the reasons we like spell is the potential targets here. 786 retracement in a bull market to a penny. Get you from today a 12x. That's not bad. 005 would be a 6x almost. So a lot of good targets to take profit on this one. And if you think it's going all the way up to 10 cents, then there's your 100x, a 14 billion market cap potentially. I want to say that's not the right chart though. Because whenever the word's spelled out here, that means I did this a long time ago. But anyway, slowing up the stream here. It does appear it's coming down, so we'll just simply go low to the high, see where she's going to find support. I'm going to get that off. So you're right, low to the high on the 382. So if you can stay over 3085, you're still bullish. Any lower than that, that puts in play more likely than not just coming all the way back down. But the fact that you made a higher low here and you held, it looks good right now. But yeah, if you break the 382, there's a good chance you'll fall all the way down and drop 30%. 30% plus. But yeah, and also, yeah, you're right. The big cup and handle pattern. Made a higher high. Making higher lows. I mean, just if you're investing in spell overall, it hasn't done anything. Bullish pattern on the macro, and if it holds here, it'll probably just start grinding its way back up. But you get the idea. I wanted to buy spell here, just like XCN, just like Algo, so many others. We were watching the bottom being put in here, and these little moves they had. You like Helium Mobile instead? We got Eldor for 2. I appreciate that. ASM just keeps slowly rising. ASM, yeah, ASM is bullish, or it was. My portfolio on Thursday was 57,000, and on Friday it was at 210. Nice. Yeah, you've been talking about XCN forever now. I'm glad it's finally went up for you. One day I'll get there. Hopefully it's this cycle and not next cycle. Yeah, we just looked at Spell. Spell's in the same spot here. To where it made a higher high, and it just kind of held for a little bit. This one dipped down, but ultimately it's going. Yeah, ASM, if it can stay above the 618 here, she's in good shape. Yeah, monthly candle and everything. So if you can close, that's that double, the double 618. So you got through that heavy resistance. That's real good on ASM. That's what we've been pointing out. That double, excuse me. But yeah, that double 618 here, you blew through it. If you can hold over this thing's in real good shape. So 6.6 up down to 6.5 pretty much. It's your price to hold. Yeah, ASM looks real good here. If she stays over that, another 50% move to 12, and this thing's going to shoot straight up to new high potentially and do it 8.5x to 70 cents. Hit $1 billion market cap. ASM to the moon. What's up, Junior? Sold some and bought 3 million Jasmine. Nice. Hopefully Jasmine goes to $1 like I think it is. What's up, Harlem? Fred's in the house. Freeze here. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I'm trying to get through you guys' comments. How many people? We got 30 people in here. Everyone, please hit the like button. We'll get through these. Let's see. API 3. Yeah, we did API 3 already. Myro looks finished. Yeah, I saw Turbo was bouncing. Myro's going to 0. What did Elon do to crash the market? I didn't see anything. What's up, Joe? How you doing, my man? You still bullish on those coins? Yeah, I still want to get in on that Centio protocol. I haven't got there yet. Yeah, we already looked at API 3. Cup and handle on API 3. There's cup and handles all over the place. Where do you see a cup and handle? I just see a big bowl. I'm talking about this. Yeah, it appears API 3 is on the bottom. Low to the high, it's on that 786. It's sitting on the macro support line. So yeah, if this is not the bottom, then it's going all the way back down, but she's trying to hold here. What do we have 2 charts for it for? What chart is this? This is the crypto chart. Alright, we'll just get rid of this one then. Make it easier on us. So either the bottom is in or it's never going back up. Let's see. It'd be nice to be a crypto millionaire. Yeah, it would be. Just make sure you take profit and you make money. It won't last forever. Great opportunity to get in, yeah. Waiting for my paycheck to come through. I want to be like metal detecting, start making some money. I'm not even in the market right now. Yeah, did you say it's connected to GPU? This here, Node AI. Yeah, I guess last time we looked at this one just broke down, but the whole market broke down. So what are you gonna do? Yeah, if this is the right thing, this is a new chart. Pretty much on the macro, curled up here, doesn't look bad at all. Sitting right on the 786 support. Oh, I guess we did look at this before. If this thing can hit a 2 billion market cap, 20 bucks. Arrow 2.0, 20 or $40 is what it's going to hit, 19x. What happened to Bit Pump? Okay, so Sin is the AI agent of GPU Node AI. Let's see, what are we looking at? Ben QI. Yeah, but this chart doesn't look bad at all. I know we're out on the weekly chart, but new coin curling up. Let's see here. Oh, this thing's on the bottom too. Zoom it in so we can see. I mean, everything's doing the same thing. There's really nothing to say. You just gotta pick the right coins. Like XCN's a winner. Algo was a winner. These already left. So it's back down here on the bottom. And it should start going up from here. Yeah, it's really not holding on anything but the trend at the moment. You're down below the 0.5 to 236 here. Not that it has to be perfect, but you're holding the higher lows. So it's either the bottom or it's going to go down even further. Yeah, even if we draw up there, it's down below the 786. So the only thing holding this up is the trend. It needs to get back over 13.5. Or 1.3 rather. Seamless staking and lending for Avalanche. But yeah, I think, is this one on Coinbase? Coinbase, that is. We'll see after this cycle who picks the right coins. But no, I guess you haven't been here for a while. I haven't had DGen for a little bit now. When it hit that 382, I got out. Then it dumped. But yeah, this one, 800 million market cap, 15.5, 16 cents is going to get you a 12x. Ben QI, new high. Almost to $1.40 is a 7 billion market cap. Wow, that's 100x from here. So it depends on where you think this one can hit. Like I keep telling you guys personally, I would get out at these targets here. Yeah, if this thing, it looks like it's going to come up here easily, so almost a 500% move. So I would buy BNQI, get my 6x at 7 pennies and get out and rotate into something else that's already down here still. He says cool new emojis. Yeah, I just switched them up. We need more members so I can add more. He can only have so many. No, I only had a little baby. It was a $60 bag of DGen, then it went up to 100 and something, then it went right back down, and I was like, I'll just get out. What's up, Dustin? Orion Protocol. No, I did. If you've been watching, Junior, at the beginning of this last year, January and February, I had almost 10K in the market. I had a big bag of Elon, Arrow. I've said this many times, but things happen in life. I had to take all the money out. I had to pay bills and all that kind of good stuff in life, and I lost my job after 21 years. Got laid off, so it all happened all at once. But yeah, ASM is bullish, so I am completely out of the market right now. I'm gonna try to get in with a couple $100 when I get paid, hopefully tomorrow. But today being a holiday, I think it's gonna delay it for another day. It is what it is. Alright, what is Orion? I could have swore we looked at Orion before. Oh, maybe it's on the other chart. I remember that ticker. Not the others. Yeah, Ondo's not doing anything, but it's still holding up. Yeah, I thought we had an Orion chart. I guess we don't. We'll just make one. Orion protocols on Coinbase. I guess we'll use the Coinbase chart. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so this is an older coin. It's been out for a while. Yet another one. I mean, if this is something, it's still down here doing nothing. Just kind of hanging around the 236. Yeah, I guess there is no Trump pump, huh? I mean, really ain't doing nothing. We're kind of in the same boat we've been in for months, just chopping around. Yeah, this thing's just chopping around. But you're above the 236 and the 0.5 here, so we'll see if it holds up. It's starting to curl up here at the end, like a lot of things. This nice little move up, higher highs and higher lows. But this one, as long as you're over 124, the macro bottom is in. 228, you are bullish. Breakout bull run is confirmed once you get over $6. Orion. But also, if you go out to the monthly, you can see this better, but there's a big double bottom W pattern formed. Tells us it's time to go up. Let me see if I can find my tools. Yeah, this one, get to 6 is a 4.5x, 786 retracement in the bull market, 12 bucks, 9x. And if you think this thing's going to hit a new high, potentially to 90 bucks would be a 66x. And like I keep saying, not everything's going to do these large moves. But I think definitely these coins we're looking at, they don't all have to, but there's a real good chance we're in a bull year, the year of the bull run, whatever you want to call it. But the 618 retracement would not be out of the question. So in other words, if it holds up here, you get you a decent 4.5x out of this thing easily. Hold on. Let's see. We got Anthony Datu for 5. I appreciate that, my man. Thoughts on Vara? Yeah, what is Vara doing? Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. But yeah. I'll get back in eventually. It's just going to be a slow start from here. That's why I'm probably going to have to just buy a Solana meme coin, something that's going to run. I have a little list going. I think I'm going to make it. Hopefully. Vara, what is Vara doing? Yeah, she's trying to hold here. Not a bad look at the moment on Vara. Once you get back over 3 pennies, the bottom is confirmed in. Bullish over 5, and then confirmed bull run over 1. But, you know, if it makes it up that far, you may already have a bull run on it. Let's see. Yeah, not bad. A 6x up to the 618. Well, let's move this up. 4.5x. But as of right now, she is holding the bottom. She's holding. Is it going to go lower? No one knows. High to the low. Yeah, you're above the 786. This new trend in play. So it looks from here on out, it looks like this thing's going to come up and make a higher high from here. Once you break over the 618, bullish over 27. Maybe we get a run up to the 382 next, and then she pulls back. Or something like that. But the only thing you can really say right now, it is holding the trend, and it is on that final support level. Let's see if we got any kind of bullishness on this. Yeah, she might be getting ready to bounce. Try to front run the move here. Is this moving average here, whenever the yellow is above the blue, you're just bearish. Not perfect. There's no perfect indicators, but you can see the blue starting to curl up here. If this crosses above yellow with the RSI above 50, that's pretty much your buy signal for this thing to start going up. But you can see it did the same thing here and it came right back down, so nothing's reliable. It's all just wishes. And I don't know if this market cap is right, but 786 retracement would be an 8x on Vara. But she is trying to hold the bottom right now. I don't know if they're still releasing coins or not, but it is a layer 1, so it's going to take a little while to establish itself. Is Myro still going down? Oh, she is. Yeah, as long as you're below 4, you're headed to 2. Myro's not going to make it. Why is my chat not scrolling? That dude, I had to take out a loan to invest in crypto. Yeah, that's never a good idea. Because you could lose all your money. And I can't get a loan anyway. I'm all loaned out, moneyed out, poor. But one positive is the channel's growing here. You guys are coming in here supporting, and hopefully when you guys get rich, you don't forget about me. Because as of right now, it does not look like I'm going to make it this cycle. I'm hoping, but we'll see. We got Eldor for 5. I appreciate that, my man. 1,000 ABT or 1,000 ALIF. How many times have you asked that? He says the crypto market is done. What's up, Rashad? He says Corium. This is not letting me scroll back in the chat. I can't see who came in. What's up, Sophia? How you doing? "21 years, but free." Alright, he says 1,000 ABT. Did ABT come back up, or is it still going down? I think we went over that last time. I think the ALIF IM has better return, doesn't it? Depending on where you think these things are going to go. Why has that even moved? Arc Block has been doing nothing. Now it went down again. It's forming the other post. Starting to move up. It needs to get over 117 to 120. But people are salty on these coins. They're getting upset because they're not moving. So when you tell them it's going to 30 bucks, they cry and say, nope, it ain't even going to hit $5. I mean, there's no telling. I think $13, $14, $15 is fair. About a 11x or 29x to 30. But she's holding up still, even though it made a lower low again. Oh, ALIF IM's coming down. And when was the last time we looked at this? Right on support. Get that out of the way. Oh, we're looking at the wrong thing. That's a lithium. Wonder. Yeah, where do our charts keep going? There we go. ALIF, zoom out, weekly or monthly chart rather. Yeah, this is another one on the monthly chart. I mean, these things are pretty much screaming, get ready to buy. Yeah, this thing looks like it's coming back down to 9. I mean, zoomed out all the way on the monthly, but sometimes you have to zoom out to see what's actually going on. So it's right at the 11,618. Any lower than that, then it is coming down to 9. Which it just looks like it. It made the higher high, time to put in the lower high, or the higher low. And then the big double bottom W pattern, to the moon she goes. But your question is, you're looking for returns. $1.90 on this one would be a 16x, $500 million market cap. Excuse me. This weather is just brutal here. Yeah, low to the high here, you're below the 786, so I would just be prepared for this thing to come down. at a 23%. Someone said turbo. Yeah, I didn't even feel like streaming today. Just low energy. Trying to grind away. It's hard to grind away when you're just broke. Yeah, Turbo came down. It got back above. We said this last night. The weekly candle closed below it. You're probably coming down to 0.005, and then now we're green again. So if you can hold over 6.4, 0.007 is the price to get back over 0.070 or 7.7 rather, 3.82 to be bullish again. But as long as you're coming down like this, then it does put in play down below the 3.82, 6.18. So it's all going to depend on what tomorrow brings. If we're dead again tomorrow, then Turbo will go right back down. But overall, Turbo's holding the macro market structure. Until it breaks down below 5, I wouldn't worry about it. Until you clearly break the clear uptrend with the higher lows here on the macro, all you can really do is buy the dips if you're bullish on Turbo, which they call for a 50 billion plus market cap on Turbo. Our target here, maybe we hit 15 cents and we get a 20x, 10 billion market cap. And on the high side, 40 cents on Turbo and 26 billion market cap for about a 60x. Let's see. We got 36 people in here. Everyone, please hit the like button. Let's see. Yeah, 71% of you guys say we're back. Call. Yeah, I thought about buying call at one point, but then it broke down right after I looked at it. We're just not bullish yet. Only thing you can do is buy the dips and then buy the dip again. Just keep buying the dips until there's no more dips, until you're at 0. Yeah, call came all the way back down. I mean, this is what we've been seeing on a lot of these meme coins. I think, I can't remember the other ones, but yeah, this one's down at the bottom, and you're down below the 236. There's nothing bullish on the overall chart. Just big downtrend. Back down here, almost at the bottom. Yeah, this thing looks bad. RSI is way down here. We still have the yellow over the blue. Pretty good gap. I would just say there's nothing at all bullish on call. You can try to maybe say this is the bottom and time it. If you want some sort of confirmation on crow with knife, however many zeros that is, 3.3 up to 3.7. If you can get it back over those, short-term bottom is in, and then macro bottom would be in. But until that happens, there's no bottom. It looks like at the moment. But yeah, every time you come down here, though, you go back up. So could be the bottom on call here. But that's the price you pay, the gamble you got to take, I guess, if you're gonna make it in this market. You got to try to find the bottoms. Mog. Yeah, Mog looks just, not exactly, but just this up move here. It looks like bonk. Yeah, Mog's below support. It's probably coming down here to make the higher low. Let's just see. We do have the trend. 382, you're below. Yeah, low, high here. Most recent move. It looks like it's coming down to 13, back to the trend here. And it's a 618, so you should get a bounce here. but you're still going to drop another 13-14%. But 138 is your price to hold. Any lower than that, then you run the risk of breaking the trend and breaking down. But overall, the chart doesn't look bad. Corium. Yeah, we've been looking at Corium and Sologenic a lot lately. They still bullish. Yeah, still just here. Strong move up and just kind of sitting in our pattern. What are we on the weekly? Let's move this. Still just kind of holding up, consolidating in the bull flag here. So it needs to get back over 23 or 24. Yeah, you just hit the 382, you bounced, you're holding. And then potential breakout point on this one. Yeah, it looks like it's coming back down right now. Bottom of the flag, 382. So almost a 16% drop, but you need to hold 18. And then if it ever comes back up, depending on where we're going to draw this at, I guess it's starting to not be a flag anymore. Looks like your breakout confirmation will be over 30. So once it finally gets its price over 30, then you're potentially breaking out, but it doesn't look good at all right now. Besides being in the big bull flag pattern, so we'll see if it holds. But I mean, it's doing nothing so far. Made a higher high, so that's a very good positive. And a bull flag. Corium to the moon. Yeah, this one's not a bad one. Just to hit a 618 retracement here up to this 270 level would be a 12x. 6x up to the 0.5. That's not bad. Solo still bullish. Let's see. Yeah, Solo's in the same spot. They're doing the same thing. This one couldn't get through the red box. Hit the red box and just died. So we're either still in the pattern or we broke it and we're holding it, depending on how you want to look at it. But yeah, until you get over 68, there's no breakout on this one. But that's what we've been seeing a lot lately, little baby breakouts. Yeah, I would say a breakout, and it's a simple back test. So it needs to stay over 52. It's trying to be bullish and then break out over the 618.5 here. And then it'll start moving. But until then, it's stuck. Brett and PNG. Yeah, it's like I keep saying, everything looks the same. Everything's just coming back down. Depending on where we want to draw this at, because it's just... Yeah, you could argue that broke the trend and it's now down below it. So it needs to stay bullish over 9.2. It's trying to hold. But like I said, it depends on your point of view, I guess, and where you draw this thing at. Because we could draw it here, you're on the trend, and if we just do it from this area. But ultimately, higher highs, higher lows, the whole chart is just curled up here. It's potentially on support, and This is another one that's going to go to the moon when it's ready, when it's time. All the big influencers shill Brett when it moves. And yeah, Brett to a 9 billion market cap to 92, maybe $1. Good 10x. And if it goes where the influencers are saying 50 billion plus market cap, then a 50x to $5 plus. Is PNG still breaking down? Yeah, we said this a long time ago. Once PNG finally breaks support and starts breaking down, then you know we're bearish. Yeah, we fell down below the 1414, the 382 at 31. 618 is coming up. Depends on where we want to draw this at. Yeah, this thing could be headed all the way back down to the 786. Jeez. Our big falling wedge pattern here. So as of right now, PNG, as long as you're below 30, down 27, if you don't bounce on the 618 here, 8% drop, there's a good chance you're coming all the way down here. 23% drop back down to 20. Yeah. There's just nothing safe right now. 29 people in here still. What are the votes saying? Oh, we already got 71 votes. You guys think we're back? Let's see. Zero, bro. Z-E-R-E. What is that? I don't think bullish is XCN. What did you say? Z-E what? Yeah, XRP's still holding up. It looks good. At some point, we'll get another push up. Z-E-R-E. Nah, we look at both of them. I forgot we had two PNG charts. I've been using the newer one, but I think a lot of people are watching the Coinbase one because they're trading it on Coinbase. See, now I done forgot what I was typing. Z-E-R-E. What is that? Oh, I guess we looked at this one. Jeez. Just going to zero, bro. That's for the name. Yeah, this one broke out of the pattern and then died. No idea why, but it did. But yeah, things like this, when they have these patterns here and then they end up breaking out, I'm getting out when these things hit. I would have probably got out right at the 786. Got my little 50% move. Yeah, there's nothing to say on this one. This thing's just down. There's nothing bullish on it anymore. And one little breakout, and she's going to zero. Until you get back over 19, the bottom is not confirmed in. There's no support. And then bullish over 25. Which I guess we got to bring this up now. Yeah, this thing looks bad. But yeah, PNG, we look at both charts all the time. Let's see what's going on the Gate.io chart, the proper chart. Probably should just use this one from now on and forget the other one, because this one has the whole price history. Yeah, we'll just move this out of the way. It's pointless. It just appears she's coming back down to 23 here. .5 is your support. I don't know what the other price was. Yeah, depending on what we want to draw here, you can clearly see from the ultimate, if we go from this high to the low, double .5. So we'll just say for now, PNG support is 23 if I can get anything to work right. So another 12% drop here, 13% drop. And then we'll see if it holds. Hopefully that's not it for PNG. The overall chart, high to the low, had its bull run, hit the 618, and that's it. Wouldn't that suck if that's it? Oh, is that why it hit 109K? It just jumped up there? That was the Trump pump out of nowhere. A quick little spike and that was it. We got flip coins for 5 for the sticker. I appreciate that, my man. Super sticker. Looks like he's celebrating. What is he celebrating? The bloodbath? Yeah, I told you guys, what was I looking at? I think it was Arrow. I was looking at the 3-day chart on Arrow yesterday. You know, I guess it was this candle here. Never seen it happen before on a large candle like this, but it just flashed green and wicked up here in a second, and the same second it went right back down. That's why that wick came in. Just right in front of my eyes, just green wick. I mean, like it flashed for a split second and made the wick and came right back down. I've never seen that before. No way that's it. No, I think it's going to go up more. PNG is definitely going to go up more. I was just saying, what if that is it? What if these coins that already ran at the early runners, and then now we're going to have new other coins run, and then there'll be some that run last. I mean, it kind of looks. Everything looks the same. It looks like the PNG. I mean, it looks like DGen here, where DGen is super bullish, and then it just broke down. Now it's just kind of going sideways. This thing to $6 would be a 20x. If you want to be bullish on it, 100x for 5.7 billion market cap up to 26. There's your bullish hopium. If you think about it, it's not bad. I mean, this is monthly, but all we need is a couple of large monthly green candles, and she's there. AIX or AX. What is it? AX? That's that virtual coin. What am I looking for? That's what I thought. AI. Oh, I didn't do the I. Is this thing still running? Yeah, just another bullish chart. We can be bearish all we want, but everything looks bullish. Everything's curled up. If it's not breaking down, it has these charts where it's just curled up, ready to go. Yeah, as long as you're above 67, you're bullish still here. Back over the 2 at 78, more bullish, and then if it's going to go make a higher high, then it's time to go up and hit $1 plus. But yeah, this one, $5 is a 7.5x. Top of the fib. Only 15 people here. Can't wait till we start going back up. This is getting old already. Or at least die. Yesterday when we were getting hit real hard, we had over 40. I think we hit 50 people in here yesterday. It's like a spectacle. Everyone just wanted to see the bloodbath, and then they left. Hope PNG turns out good, will make me debt free. I hope it does, my man. I can't even imagine the day where I'm debt free. As poor as I am right now. Not trying to be a downer or anything, it's taking forever to get my check. And then I'll probably end up buying something and it'll just drop to zero like it always does. What does that say? Alan says parallel AI is up 6% today. Does it have more room to go? What is that? What is the ticker for that? I don't think we've ever looked at that. Am I even spelling it right? It's a big question. Is that parallel? I guess that's a deck screener coin. I don't know what that is. One of the weirdest bull markets ever. Yeah. I would say it's either going to be a tiny bull run or it's going to be a monster bull run. One or the other. Those are your two choices. PAI. Same, can't wait. You bi-weekly. Monthly. You get a YouTube check on the 21st of the month. What's up, Yosef? How you doing, my man? just shield call on a few live channels. Lost a little money yesterday. That swing was vicious, yeah. PAI. Yeah, we must have been streaming for an hour already because this chair's starting to kill me again. PAI, Gate.io chart, probably the best one. May not be accurate, but this one, does it have more room to run? Well, it has to the moon because it's at the bottom. Nowhere to go but up. This one doesn't look good at all. Downtrend just made a lower low. These are daily candles here, by the way. She's moving up, so if that's the bottom, there's no clear establishment of the bottom. It's just a bottom. I would say the only confirmation you have is that high to the low. If you can get over 46.5 here, 44.5, and then bullish over 51, then maybe you have a shot. But if it's going to stick by these, then another 5% move up. But if it's coming back up to the 236 to hit this as resistance, you maybe have a 22% move up, and then it's going to die. But the fact that you were trading this way and then you're making lower highs and you just made a lower low, it's just not a good look all the way around. And the fact that you moved down and you're consolidating, just sitting here, you could very well be in a continuation consolidation, and she's about to drop even further. We saw the same kind of thing on Myro. But if that is the bottom and you're going to hold this thing to the moon, let's see what kind of multiplier hope we can give you. Oh, this is so new. If this thing ever comes back alive and breaks the downtrend, 400% move to 220. So 5x to a new high on this one. Yeah, I forgot that. Yeah, I forgot we hit the all-time high before the halving. And I hope we don't have to sit through this for the whole year and into 2026. That would be rough. Where we just slowly go up. XCN. Yeah, XCN's still pushing up here. She held our little falling wedge pattern on the smaller time frame. She's above the 0.5. It still looks bullish here on the macro. And like I keep saying, let's see here. So if we go all the way down to the 4-hour chart, we just smacked into the 786, it looks like. $12.8, so you're right at the 618 here, potential breakout point going sideways. So that's not a bad look. Off of the little move up here on the much smaller time frame, so it looks like it's ready to get going again. But if it starts dropping back down, then only thing you can do at that point is watch the support at the 0.5. As long as you hold macro wise over 11, then at some point it'll move back up. It could very well be doing what XRP and all these other coins did, to where they just held here and just slowly formed a large triangle, bull flag, whatever it's going to end up forming here. But you get the idea. And then a month from now to go up. And then, like I've been saying, once this thing, we'll just move that one for now. But you got stuck at the 0.5 and you got stuck at this little volume area. As soon as we blew through or got over the 236 here and held that, all that support we were watching, there's nothing in here to stop it from going up where it did. And then the next volume area, you can see there's nothing again. It's going to stop it from coming all the way up potentially to 10 cents here. So in other words, as long as you hold the 0.5 and you stay over 11, no matter how long that is, she could be running all the way up here 9 to 10 cents for a 7.5x. So once you break through this volume area, she's going to fly. Man, I wish I would have got in on XCN. By March, we'll be rolling. A couple of months ahead of schedule. We got 28 people in here. 68% say we're back. 84 votes. Yeah, people come in and out all the time. When I ended the live stream last night, what do we have? We always get down to like 15 viewers, 10 viewers. But by the time we end this thing already has over 500 views. So people are coming in and out. I guess I should make that the poll. As you come in and out, hit the like button. Wait, what are we looking at? Dropped a K on Spell. Yeah, I can't wait till I can get back at that point. It's been so long. It's been a year. It's over a year now. What were we in January? Yeah, it's been a whole year since I was good in the market, at least to my standards. Yeah, Spell's coming back down. We looked at it earlier. Overall, it's curling up here, but you're down below the 236, lower highs. Hold on. Yeah, did your lady friend ever buy into something? You don't have to tell me what, but I remember she was gonna put 5K on something. More comments equals more engagement, hence more views. We need to spam the chat. Just a random high for algo. Yeah, what is algo doing? But yeah, time went by so fast. Still going by fast. It's going to be February before we know it. Yeah, because I remember all the times we were talking about these coins, XCN and Algo, and all these coins down here at the bottom. And Yeah, algo looks like it's slowly breaking out here. It's over the 3-2, over the 0.5. Needs to get a weekly close over 40, 45 here. And that potential breakout to some degree to the upside. 0.5 at 50. Yeah, once algo gets over 50, then you'll have a decent little run. 74, 75% move to 75. What's that? XCN for the win. Yep. Oh, not yet. Okay. What's up, Shaw? How you doing? What are we looking at? ASM and GFI. Yeah, we looked at ASM. ASM looks bullish. She's moving. She's above the 618, the double 618 we've been looking at. High to the low, and then the macro at this 6.6 level. So if you can stay over that, then this thing's in good shape. Let's see, are we still? Yeah. Yeah, the next stop up is the 786s, it looks like. If I can get this to stay. So as long as you're above 6.6, it puts in play 10. Another 30% move up to 12. Maybe a 55% move here, but ASM does not look bad. It pulled away from the trend, it held support, and she's moving on up. GFI, what time is it? 6:40 already? Jeez. What is GFI doing? Yeah, GFI is potentially holding the bottom. I mean, low to the high, 786 at 127. The overall macro trend here is in play if this is going to be the trend. So she's trying to hold here. We'll see. If not, then you're breaking it and you're coming down 618236 back to $1. 94 cents here. But it looks, if you just zoom out, it looks like it's on the trend and it's going to hold. It's the bottom again. All of these monthly candles dipped and then they got bought back up. So maybe this one will do the same thing and hold over 134, 135. Alright, had to get out of the chair. Couldn't handle it anymore. Yeah. I keep missing them, and then the ones I do buy, they go down. If I buy something, and then as soon as I get out, it goes up. It's the same thing every time. XCN, already read that. Meant that for the algorithm. Yeah, that's why I tell you guys to hit the like button all the time. Get the algorithm to help. Or hit these little spamming 100% hearts. I don't know if it helps out or not, but I don't even know why they're there. Let's see. Open. What is Open doing? I always forget about games for a living. Oh, this thing sucks. Potential bottom on games for a living. I don't even know if anybody knows what this is. Open custody. Oh, she's trying to hold, but she's trying to, looks like she's breaking down. Yeah, she just made a lower low. Sorry to say, but we're not going up anytime soon. A lot of things are on the final support levels, and a lot of things look like they're breaking down. If you don't have XRP, ASM, Algo, XCN, XLM, HBAR, then we chose the wrong ones. This one looks like it's coming back down to the low. Yeah, this is the one I bought back here, a couple bucks, and then I just went right back into DGen. Yeah, bearish cross on the moving averages. RSI is below 50. That just tells you a move down is more favored than a move up, especially breaking the trend here. And there's no guarantee this one wick bottom is going to hold, so we'll see. Oh, you're sitting right on the final support, so this is it. Any lower than 6.9 and it's over. You just make a lower low, so we'll push the narrative and say this has to hold. So keep it that simple. 6.9 has to hold, but it doesn't look good at the moment. You still might have a gig for me, make some money, but I still have to contact you to explain. Yeah, you said that a long time ago. Yeah, did you ever get yourself a Twitter? An X account? Or just go on the Discord and message me. Just let me know it's you, because I don't answer any messages on Discord, because all these people are begging for things. Yeah, every time I trade, I get wrecked too. Every time. Every time I've ever opened a long or a short position, I either get liquidated or stopped out instantly. Ski mask a poo. Yeah, we'll go over to deck screener here next, here in just a moment. I gotta do something about this chair. What's today, Monday? Any of you guys watching Raw tonight? I don't even know what time it comes on. Any of you guys watch wrestling? Peach, I'm hoping to go to the moon. Base peaches. Base peaches and ski mask a poo. Is that a coin for real? Yeah, what's the ticker for? Because I don't see it. There is no... Oh, dang it. It popped up right when I was moving it. Alright, let me get back in the chair. switch this over. Ski mask SUKU. Ski mask SUKU, base peaches, and Dogelon Mars on Solana. Is that a thing? Yeah, let me write these down real quick before we switch over. Yeah, my best bet right now is to find some Solana coin that's going to run. Wish my computer would speed up a little bit. Alright, we're on ski mask, base peaches, if we can find it. Elon on Sol. Dogelon. You've been waiting a friend to get these checks, about 15K. She's trying to make some real money. You and I can make some money also, but okay, yeah, just make an X account and then you can get over there and DM me and explain it. But I appreciate it. Haven't watched wrestling since Ultimate Warrior and Undertaker days. Yeah, I haven't watched it since the days of, what is it, the Attitude Era. The days of The Rock and Stone Cold and Triple H and all them. Alright, let's go look at these coins, see what we got. This is going to be a lot better when I have some money that I can gamble with, I guess. Don't want to gamble, but... where's our deck screener screen? That's YouTube. Alright, there we go. Ski mask SUKU. Came out and went to 0. Let's see what... 69K market cap, 1 million holders. Is this an airdrop coin? They airdropped everyone coins. Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's a bottom on this thing. Maybe it's on the bottom. What are we on? 4-hour chart. So this thing just came out. I don't think there's a wick down here, but it's either on the bottom or it's going to 0. Right now where it is at 4061. So if you want to take a gamble on this one, maybe the bottom is in. So if it can manage to get back over 9.8, then maybe that'll confirm the bottom. 9.78, and then bullish back over 1.2. But this thing's all the way back down to where it came from, so not a bad opportunity to buy in. Do your research, of course. But if this thing's gonna go back up, it wouldn't be probably be worth throwing 50 bucks on. Yeah, I would throw $50 on here and get my 90x. Just $50 and just forget about it until you look at it and it's up. 96x back up to a new high, potentially at 206 on this one. Base peaches. Peach Plant-based peaches. It's acting so slow, it's ridiculous. This one's all the way at the bottom too. Oh, we thought. Let's see, high to the low. Came up and got stuck at the 618. It's down below the 236 here. So until you get back over 13 on the macro, bottom is not in. The only other thing we can do, see where this thing's coming down to. Yeah, you're coming down to that final support. So if you're looking to buy in on this one, potential bottom, and to hold potentially the higher low here, 406 would be your price. Because you're still looking to drop. Yeah, you're still dropping 28% from where you are right now, potentially. I said potentially because, let's see, what am I looking for? If we draw a horizontal support and resistance line, I guess there's not enough there to say. I was going to say this, where it got stuck, you could be holding on support. We'll see. You said Elon, Dogelon Mars on Solana. Ooh. Hulk Hogan era. Yeah, I remember Hulk Hogan wrestling. I'm from the Attitude Era though, but he was in there a couple times. I still remember WCW. Let's see. Oh, we still got 26 people in here. How are the votes going? 94 votes. 67% say we're back. Let's see. What are we looking for? We are looking for Dogelon Mars on Sol. Let's find that real quick. I guess they made a coin. It must be new. Dogelon pumped yesterday, and then so they got to start pumping out scam coins. Dogelon. Why is it so slow? Oh, this one here. Dogelon Mars. Oh, it's been out for a while. Oh, I guess there's one on base and ETH and everything. This thing? It pumped with Elon pumped? When the real one pumped? Yeah, hopefully you took some profit on it. Excuse me. On this. Can't even draw anything on this. There's just scam wicks all over the place. Yeah, if it doesn't stay over that previous high at 1-1, then it's done probably. It is curled up though, so it'll probably just melt away back down and then hold a higher low somewhere and then do it again. But pretty much came up to the 1-4-4. That was it, and then it's back down. it's the same. Are you just talking about Dojo on Mars? Try to debate $140 loss on Spell. That Spell doesn't look good right now. Not financial advice, but it doesn't look great at the moment. It looks like it's coming back down. So there's a good chance your loss is going to get greater. That's the way it is with me. Every time I buy something, it just goes down, and then I just sell for a loss, and I buy something else, sell for a loss, and then before I know it, I'm broke. No wrestling tonight. Cheap college football championship, Ohio State and Notre Dame. Oh, there's no Raw tonight for real? Or is that just what you're watching? But yeah, if you're just talking about regular Elon, I didn't know it was on Solana. I thought it was on Ethereum. Yeah, we looked at this yesterday. It had a large candle spawned in. But that was it. She's coming all the way back down. Elon's still going to wait for me, so it needs to wait a couple months. I keep saying that, and the months keep going by, and I keep saying couple months. But yeah, Elon, if it doesn't hold 2-0, then it's going to come back down to the trend. 11% drop and potentially 45% drop all the way back to the bottom, and then just kind of crawl around and wait. We're just not at that point yet to where we're going to go to the moon. We're having these moves up, but then that's it. And Bitcoin's not doing anything. Yeah, the dominance is at 59 almost. DXY still going up. DGen. We haven't. Surprised no one's asked for DGen. It's always DGen and Turbo. Oh, no wonder. DGen's breaking down. Oh no, she's still holding. I forgot we drew this. She's still holding the trend, and it's still holding the blue line here. It's just simple macro support and resistance on that support again. So must hold price for DGen is right where it is now. It hasn't moved since last night. Yeah, that's always the way. As soon as you sell, it'll spike up. Just enough to get your money back and then kill your hopes. Oh, that's what you're watching. Ohio State and Notre Dame. I had no idea the college game was on, and I have no idea who was in it. XCN. Wait, what am I typing? What's up, God? XCN. Oh, you're gonna wait for the 15-minute 5-minute candle to close. What is this thing doing? Zen. Zen is another one. Everything's right there. A must hold spots. You just tagged a 786. You just tagged a trend pretty much. You're getting a bounce. So as long as you're over 8.6, the bottom is in. You need to get over 12. Hold on, that's not even correct. Why is that not even on there right? So 8.5 is the bottom and 12 is the price to get over. But yet another one on the bottom. Yeah, so pretty much getting over that 618 is going to put the bottom back in. So it's either the bottom or it's not. And yet the stock RSI, or the RSI, is below 50, and our little moving average is just crossed bearish. Not that that really means anything. I'm waiting to see if these things bounce or die, because I'm still trying to work out the moving averages to see what they're going to support. As of now, it says it supports a move down, but we'll see if it holds. XCN, if it ever gets back over the 236 here, and if this thing can hit a 4 billion market cap up to the 618 retracement in a bull market, pull an XCN and just shoot out of here. 4025. Oh geez. Oh yeah, this is why we like this one now. I don't know what this is, but a 382 retracement just to get back up here is a 23x. 0.5 retracement up to 7.7 is a 72.5x. And then just 618 retracement is a 225x to 25. And a 4 billion market cap. So if this is somewhere where you can buy it and people are going to know about it and it's got a good community, could be a good play. XCN, huh? Oh, you're looking at spell on the 15-minute. Let's just see 15 minutes, see if there's any kind of bounce coming in. I just hit the bottom again, so I don't know, she's moving on up right now. But nothing looks good on it. Give you a little bit of hope. Guess from here. Come on. Yeah, this thing looks horrible at the moment on a small time frame. I was going to say maybe you can get a 618 retracement up here and then it dies. That could be what it's going to do. You're above the 236, almost above the 382. You can see if it comes up here and wicks up to 88, it'll complete the lower highs, and then it'll just drop back down. But we're on a 15-minute chart, so it's probably not even going to make much of a difference. Yeah, a 1% move up. Wait another 30 minutes and see if you get another percent of your money back. The early Bitcoin ETF having through this whole cycle out of whack. Yeah, something did. The fact that we hit a new high before the halving just threw it all off. But yeah, we're probably going to end this in a moment. Be back on here tomorrow. Casper Labs, what chart were we looking at? I thought we deleted one of these charts. Oh, we're on the 15-minute. Looks exactly the same. Doing the exact same thing as Spell is doing. Yeah, Casper Labs, this is the one that came down and broke the low. Made a new low, it bounced. It's trying to hold over the 786 at the moment. But if this thing can hit a new high, which we're going from this high here. Why did we do that? I don't remember, but there's a reason. But anyway, you got stuck at the 3-2, you pulled back, a little double top play action going on, and then you're just kind of holding. So if you can hold this 14 area, you're holding here. You've been holding here for weeks now. Little strong move up. You could argue that this is a little bull flag pattern, and you could start moving up at some point. It is starting to dip again, but each time it still holds. So bottom is technically in right now, not bullish over until 25 or 2.5, and then breakout over 6 pennies. So until you get over 6 pennies, there's no bull market for Casper here. Yeah, she's coming down as we speak, but you're holding the 0.5, 382 area, 236. You're just going sideways at the moment. Consolidation. If it does end up breaking down at some point before we look at it again, there's a good chance you come all the way down here. It would drop 40%. 8.6 would be the bottom if it's not going to make a new low. But yeah, let me go ahead and end the poll. How long have we been on here? I try to keep these over 2 hours. That way we get more views. Coming up on 2 hours. Yeah, we did that. Yeah, when we get in 2 hours in and there's only 15 people, 10 people here, might as well just cut it. Yeah, I didn't do any updates today. That's surprising. I'm gonna have to get off my ass tomorrow and make some updates. It's unacceptable. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Hopefully we'll be back a little bit. But I appreciate all you guys coming in here. I appreciate the support. Oh, my screen is locked. Hopefully we're still here. Let's see. 39 likes, not bad, I guess. AXGT before we end here. Let's see what she's doing. Yet another one trying to hold up here. Axon Dow. Below the 0.5, but you're coming up on the trend here. So it looks like it's coming back down to the 382 at 21 here. Yeah, 382 and the 0.5, but you're sitting on the 382 right now. So technically you're bullish over 26. It doesn't have to hit the trend, it just tagged a trend. And now it's back over the 382. So if you can hold 26, then you're bullish and this thing start moving up. Need to get over 29, and then eventually, let's see, that's 3-day candles. Yeah, I would say it just came down and did what it needed to do. Now it's time to make a higher high. Holding up strongly, looking on the weekly. So potentially 125% move to that new high. So your hope is it comes up and makes a new high, and then it comes right back down to the trend at some point. And just going to keep doing that until it's time to go. Until the numbers called for Axon Dow here. It's just going to continue chopping around like this. And this one, 480, probably $5. 870 million market cap. Anywhere from a 19 to a 20x. Doesn't look bad overall when you zoom out like this. Hard to catch you now. I'm in Thailand. Yeah, I bet it's nice over there. Yeah, one of these days I was thinking about doing a night stream just to catch people on the other side of the world. Yeah, maybe one day we'll do that. Do a stream on the day, and then I'll wait till like almost midnight and do a stream. Hey, we'll do that one day when there's over 100 people in here and the super chats are flying in. I'll just stay on for 24 hours. But yeah, we'll leave it at that for now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hit the like button on your way out. I appreciate all you guys coming in here, the super chats, and just everything you guys bring to the table. We'll be back again tomorrow. Hopefully it's a better day. And with that being said, none of this is financial advice, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, everyone.